Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Today we're going to be taking a look at a Ford Edge. We're going to start right away up front where you have factory fog lamps. We're going to take a look down the passenger side. You have alloy wheels wrapped with Kelly Edge tires. Inside, cloth interior. Seats are clean all the way throughout. One more look down the passenger side, then we're going to swing around to the back end. You have dual point exhaust, rear backup sensors, and a factory trailer hitch. And this Edge is all-wheel drive. A look in the hatch now. There's a 60-40 split on the back seats, so you can fold those down. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We're Wisconsin's largest used car dealer, so it's certainly worth the trip. Inside, cruise and audio controls are mounted here. Full stereo, that includes a CD player. Climate control and your automatic transmission is here. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure whether you're coming from near or far, you can see this Edge on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck. All at holidayautomotive.com.